dear students, তোমালোকৰ বাবে আজি footprints without feet নামৰ পাঠটিৰ অন্তৰ্গত question answer সমূহ লৈ আহিছো। তেনেহলে আৰম্ভ কৰো আহা। Question number 1, how did the invisible man first become visible? Answer, the invisible man accidentally stepped in some mud and his footprints were followed by two boys until the footprints disappeared. It was mid-winter and he could not do without clothes. So he entered into a big London store. He broke open boxes and wrappers and wore warm clothes, shoes, an overcoat and a wide-brimmed hat, which made him a visible man. Question number 2, why was he wandering the streets? Answer, Griffin was a brilliant scientist, but he was a lawless person. His landlord disliked him and tried to eject him. In revenge, he set fire to the house. To escape without being seen, Griffin had to remove his clothes and became a homeless wanderer without clothes and money. Question number 3, why does Mrs. Hall find the scientist eccentric? Answer, Mrs. Hall finds the scientist eccentric because his appearance was uncommon. She tried to be friendly with him, but he has no desire to talk to her and told her that he had come there for solitude and did not wish to be disturbed in his work. Question number 4, what curious episode occurs in the study? Answer, one morning a clergyman and his wife were awakened by noises in the study. Then they heard the sink of money being taken from the desk. They entered the room and looked under the desk, behind the curtain, and even up the chimney. But they found that there was nobody in the room, but the housekeeping money was missing, which was really curious. Question number 5, what other extraordinary things happened at the inn? Answer, the extraordinary things happened at the inn are that the landlord and his wife found the scientist's door open, which was usually shut and locked. They saw nobody in the room, and the clothes and bandages that the scientist always wore were lying there. Suddenly, Mrs. Hall heard a sniff close to her ear. After that, the head on the bedpost leaped up and dashed itself into her face. Then the chair sprang into the air and moved towards her, which pushed them both out of the room. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল, ফুটপ্ৰিণ্টছ উইদাউট ফিট নামৰ পাঠটিৰ অন্তৰ্গত কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰসমূহ ইমানতে শেষ হৈছে। ধন্যবাদ।